Welcome everyone, Jason Jacobs here. We're going to do the 3 fighting combinations for white belts. Chariot, Kongyet, Chimbi, left foot forward fighting stance. All right, here we go. The first one is shuffle step. And the shuffle step is just this. Watch everyone, let's do the shuffle step together. Half step back, full step forward. Half step back, full step forward. Now for kids, we kind of just go, just switch your feet. And now, so here we go. Shuffle step, front kick to the face, reverse punch. When you reverse punch, turn your shoulders and your hips right into it, and then you take a little half step back. Okay, to turn around, your hands come here. All right, follow along with us at home. Shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. Shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. Shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. Back foot turns. All right, now we'll do the fighting combination number 2. This is shuffle step, roundhouse kick, reverse punch. Here we go. Shuffle step, roundhouse kick to the face, reverse punch. Turning your body into that punch, half step back. Hook. And the turnaround, back foot turns. Hook. I'll go slow. Hook. And truck. All right, number 3 is shuffle step, side kick, reverse punch. So here we go. Shuffle step, side kick with the back foot, reverse punch. Hook. Hook. Turn around. Ready. Shuffle step, side kick, reverse punch. Shuffle step, side kick, reverse punch. Hook. Turn around. Let's do the same thing this way. Hook. We're going to do a practice loop on the 3 fighting combinations. You ready? We're going to go this way, so follow along with us. Ready? Forward. So we got our left foot forward, class. Now we're going to do fighting combination number 1. Let's do it together. Ready? Shuffle step, front kick to the face, reverse punch. Here we go again. Shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. Hook, shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. We're going to do it with the right foot, so put your right foot out. That's the foot on this side. Ready, right foot out. Here we go. Fighting combination number 1 again. Shuffle step, front kick, reverse punch. Hook. Combination number 2. Fighting combination number 2 is shuffle step, roundhouse, reverse punch. Shuffle step, roundhouse to the face, reverse punch. Hook. Let's scoot back. And now we have our right foot forward, Ready? Hook. Fighting combination number 3. Fighting combination number 3 is shuffle step, side kick to the face, reverse punch. Ready, we have our left foot forward. Fighting combination number 3. Shuffle step, side kick, reverse punch. Hook. Shuffle step, side kick, reverse punch. Hook. You ready for a bonus? Number 4. Shuffle step, side kick, back kick, reverse punch. Let me demonstrate it for you. Shuffle step, side kick, back pivot kick. Let's do it. Ready, let's put left foot forward. Shuffle step, side kick, step down, turn, back pivot kick. You should have your right foot forward now. Shuffle step, side kick, step down, back pivot kick, reverse punch. Hup. Number 5 is shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. This is what it looks like. Shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. Looks like this. Shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. Your leg kind of makes a circle. Left foot forward, shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. Yeah. Shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. Shuffle step, crescent kick, reverse punch. Hup. All right, we got another bonus in store for you if you're still with us. Fighting combination number 6. Fighting combination number 6 is shuffle step, reverse crescent, reverse crescent, hup, 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 and borrow. Turn around. All right, I want to thank my students here for helping out. Let's give them a big round of applause at home. Thank you so much. We have Sam, Matthew, Jager, and Jacqueline. Cheerio. Come yet. All right. Thank you.